XL Series Scissor Lift Tables from Presto Lifts. XL Series scissor lifts are industrial-grade hydraulic lift tables for use in a wide variety of manufacturing and warehousing applications. With 17 standard models and a wide variety of standard options, there's a Presto lift for every need. Units are available in 2, 4, 6, and 8,000 pound capacities, with lifting heights up to 70 inches. Standard platforms range from 24 by 36 inches up to 48 by 120 inches. Low-pressure, oversized hydraulic cylinders ensure a long service life, while chrome-plated piston rods resist rust and corrosion. Hydraulic hoses are designed to withstand 4 times the system's operating pressure without bursting. A transparent return line from the rod bearing to the hydraulic reservoir indicates when cylinders need to be repacked and prevents spillage even in the event of a bypass. The arrangement of the motor, hydraulic reservoir, and electrical controls, combined with Presto's unique leg geometry, allows for a low collapsed height. Presto XL Series lifts include a safety maintenance chock that stores conveniently in the base frame. Use it to prevent the lift from lowering during routine maintenance. Lifting and lowering is controlled by either a hand pendant or a foot switch. XL Series lifts are ideal for a wide variety of uses, including loading and unloading pallets, feeding flat stock to punches, brakes, and presses, feeding parts and blanks at drills and machining centers, inspection, repair, and assembly, and handling large sheets in woodworking and graphic arts, plus many other uses. Presto lifts can be modified with a variety of standard options to better suit specific application requirements. Platforms can be configured with conveyor tops, beveled edges, or even turntables, while tilt tops allow work to be positioned at the most comfortable height and angle. Extended travel is available with either a single or double scissor mechanism. Extra long or extra wide platforms and bases are also available. Portability options include 4 casters or a semi-live with skid spotter configuration, and bellows guards prevent dust and debris from collecting under the lift. To find out more about how an XL lift from Presto can improve productivity and worker safety in your application, visit our website or give us a call. Presto products are available from leading material handling distributors throughout the United States and North America.